Hey guys, welcome to episode 7 of our anxiety video series. Today we're going to talk about the stress through college applications process. We have senior consultant clinical psychologist Dr. Ashima Srivastava from Max Healthcare. So what are some tips you can provide to help students survive the stress of the college application process?
We all know that applying to college is a very stressful and tedious task. Students, they tend to stress about which college to apply, how to best complete the many college applications and essays, and how many acceptances will be received when the process is done. Attending a college can take a person one step closer to the dream of a better life, but a typical college application process is a cumbersome one and quite stressful. Here are certain tips which high school students survive can students survive the stress of college application process. That can be these tips can be helpful for them. First could be open to more than one college options. If you do not get an acceptable uh, acceptance letter from one college you wanted to attend, it will obviously lead to disappointment. So there are always other college choices which are available. So that will reduce your stress level by being open to more than one college. Don't make college admission a constant topic of conversation. The senior in your year in your school has many other aspects other than college admissions, as final exams or sports events. So it's very important to take a break from the stress of worrying about your college admissions applications. Make your senior year one to remember, because you can never go back to that school life after this period is over. Make a habit of exercise and physical activity, exercise to your daily routine, but start easy and check with the doctor first. Some low impact but high stress relieving activities like walking, swimming can be quite helpful. These activities can ease out the tension and give you a sense of refreshment. Stay connected with your family and friends. Competition is an ugly beast, but whatever the case may be, your family and friends are always there to share your concerns and listen to your feelings. So being connected to family and friends helps in overcoming the burden of loneliness that comes with a stressful day at school and the college application process. So family and friends can also bring a sense of security and help boost your confidence in achieving your dreams. Take stress free breaks. Even though your time is limited, make time for activities you enjoy. Plan ahead during the college application process. Schools will want the same specific information that will probably find yourself writing about over and over again. So keep a list of these documentations so they will be easily accessible when you need them. Test scores from the SAT and ACT, your social security number, high school transcripts, your resume, and any honors or awards you have received. Also, create an accomplishments resume summarizing your achievements and any awards and interests. This will give you some reference. Give it to a teacher or mentor to help you write a recommendation. Stay organized. Make sure you keep all your paperwork and notes in order. Schedule your work time. Plan out a specific time during the day to conduct the search and start the application process. Take frequent breaks in between. Filling out application after application can cause a lot of stress. Give your parents a break. From my experience, giving break to your parents can be a good strategy. Go to them only when you have questions or concerns. Don't forget to show them your appreciation and stay hopeful. Filling out college applications is hard, but you must stay positive throughout the process and google other people's success stories to keep yourself motivated and visualize success in the college you opt for. So these are certain strategies which you can avail of.
Okay, thank you so much, Dr. Srivastava. As we all know, applying to colleges is such a crucial part of our lives. So thank you for giving us these tips to make this important process easier for everyone. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, please like, subscribe, and hit the little bell icon to get a notification when we drop our next video.